Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, Vice President with Everest Group, part of our ID services and technology team. And I'm excited here to talk to Vigitesh Tiwari, our lead analyst on the insurance market, who covers several areas across life, insurance, annuities, retirements, and more recently his detailed analysis on the London insurance market transformation. And I thought it will be good to kind of speak to him. Hey, Vigitesh.
Hi, Rona. Thanks for the opportunity. Great to be speaking about this.
Awesome. So let's dive into this discussion, right, Vigitesh? I think we've seen the Lloyd's Blueprint 2.0, the changes that are happening in the London insurance market, the post-Brexit impact. I think there are several factors colliding that is making this transformation inevitable and something which is to be accelerated, and we're already seeing signs of it. So what's your perspectives on this? How is this shaping up, and what's the implications for the market?
That's right. So, the Lloyd's of London as a marketplace is a very unique marketplace in the world. And just by the nature of it, the reason why it's such a central hub to the world in terms of placement of specialty risks and the way it is paving the future for future such marketplaces in the world is really interesting. Through the Blueprint 2.0, the Lloyd's of London really announced a sweeping set of changes, which is largely on the risk placement side, the data and the processing and the digitization part of it, as well as being able to simplify the experience for all the stakeholders, which is their agents, brokers, managing agents, cover holders, as well as customers, because there's a lot of friction that is involved in claims processing, in underwriting, in and especially because Lloyd's as a marketplace used to operate on a very manual, paper-based forms intake, and a lot of face-to-face meetings were involved in the iconic Lloyd's underwriting room. It was especially evident that when the pandemic hit, they really need to digitize their operations. And the fact that savings which have been to the tune of something like 800 million Great British pounds a year in terms of run rate, which has been announced, really talks to the length of the amount of operational efficiencies that can be brought into the entire process and the amount of benefits that can be derived out of this for all the stakeholders involved.
Oh, that's interesting. And again, Vikitesh, the way I think of this, right, there is implications across technology modernization, right? The IT infrastructure, the data, the platforms or the software being used to kind of drive this, and also the operational changes, right? The digitization of the operations that is needed to this. But I do see all of those elements coming out very strongly from a modernization and change perspective. So I just want to thank you for taking your time, and I would want to continue this discussion because there's a lot to unlock and uncover in this, space. But thank you for taking your time.
That's all right. Thanks. This is great stuff.